Hello, TechXNinjas community. My name is Pedro Ribeiro. I am here in Brazil, and today I am going to talk to you about edge computing first. Then we are going to deploy our first hello world in JavaScript at the edge. And finally, we are going to use our powers to create a CV in our platform. Stay tuned because we are going to raffle some nice stuff to you, and we are going to share our projects within the community. Thank you, Adil, for the invitation. So to begin with, let's talk a little bit about what's edge computing and what it is. So nowadays, current applications are too complex to build, protect, and scale. There's a lot to do, and usually the cost is a bit high. So let me just skip here to a little bit of history of computing. First, we had our bare metal infrastructure. Back in the day, we had those huge servers in offices, would take space, and they were huge. Then you had to purchase, deploy, manage hardware-based solution. You have all seen those pictures that people trying to screws and connect everything together. Later than that, virtualization happened, and we separated our data into server 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. But then, what happened right after that, it's what we're totally using nowadays, which is the cloud. So, for example, if you want your data hosted in the cloud, yes, it's not in the actual cloud, in the sky, but we all know it's a server somewhere. It's a server which is not in our home, which is a server it's not like on the house in front of me, but it's a server hosted somewhere. We never know where it is. So we have server 1, 2, and different small servers depending on the type of file you have. And then here I am to talk to you a little bit about serverless and edge computing. Edge computing is not an evolution of the cloud. It's an alternative. It's something that we don't need to run in one only data center, but in different data centers. Like it sounds a bit weird, right? The idea of edge computing is the idea of distributed computing. So why we defend that so much? Before that, defending that so much, if we ask ChatGPT to simple down, to explain what edge computing is to a 5-year-old child, ChatGPT would say that, imagine you have a box full of toys in the living room and you are in the bedroom. Every time you go to the living room, you pick a toy, you come back to the bedroom. This is the cloud. If you need another toy, you go back to the living room and come back to the bedroom. However, when you talk about edge computing, we have small boxes with different toys all over the bedroom. So instead of going to the living room, picking the toys and come back to the bedroom, you can just reach the toys on one hand or the other. And which is interesting when we talk about data, it's because it's faster, because it's more secure, because if we have the fault tolerance, so if one of these boxes is not working, you have another one, and you have another one, and you have another one. And it complies to the federal regulation of where you are. If you bring some data, here I am. I use my case here from São Paulo. I am in São Paulo, Brazil. So here I am in São Paulo. And for example, if I need something from the cloud, my data goes up, my request goes up to North Virginia, and then it comes back to São Paulo. It's so far. So, animation. And when we talk about edge computing, it's way closer to you. It's like something about 10 kilometers or less. So when we talk about latency, it's such a smaller latency. If you have data right next to you, then going all over and coming back. Just as an example, I can show you here our edge network. So here I am, and I have a lot of edge locations nearby. Here you guys are, and you have some other locations nearby. So it's way easier for us to work with applications at such short distance. Yeah, so now let's deploy our first Hello World application at the edge. I'll be looking here because I have another monitor, and what you have to do is you're going to click on the link that I've written here at the description of this video. So you have a special link to get into to our platform without even a credit card or anything, any information to give to us, just to play with our console. The thing is, you click on create one, and as I have an account, I will just go with Google. I'm using my account, and let's do it. It's so quick, you never imagine. So here, get started, welcome aboard, feel free to explore or get a head start below. Let's create. Here we have some recommended templates. We have Angular, Gatsby, Next.js, React, Svelte, Torso, Vue, Vite, and many others. You just click here, templates. It's going to load another screen. And let's start with the Hello World. Deploy a Hello World application to test edge computing capabilities. What you have to do first is to connect your GitHub, because everything you do on your GitHub is going to be reflected in our application. It's really simple. Just click here, like there's a button here, like click the button and you get there. To begin with, you just give an application name. So mine will be TechXNinjas video, and you click here, deploy. Let's see how it goes. Wow, the project is being created, and here you have all the log of everything that's happening. So it started, they're creating a token, a CLI, they're creating JavaScript Hello World, and cloning the template in my GitHub, and etc. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So the project is created. So let's see how long it takes here. So you are going to receive this message: deploy finalized successfully. And here you have the link of your edge application. Actually, if you click right away, you're going to see that it's going to be page not found. Don't worry, because the first time you use this template, it takes from 2 to 5 minutes to propagate in one of our edges and then to all of our edges. But let's see what we can do already. Click here at the menu, and you are going to see a lot of detail about your edge application. This is TechXNinjas video 001, and you can manage so much stuff, especially the HTTP port, some modules if you want to go, some types of device groups, for example, just here, match user agent, the regular expression, for example, mobile, iPhone, iPod, BlackBerry, mobile. What do I need? What do they need to see? What they need to do? But let's talk about code. When you come to the edge functions, you can see that here, TechXNinjas video 001. Oh, come back. Here. 001. It's a JavaScript one, and everything is alright. Let's see what happens. So now let's see what happened to our Edge application. So it's already deployed in my website. So here we have the hello world. But what if I want to change it? And that's the challenge for you today. So I come to my GitHub. This is my project. And I click here, src function. Here I have the index.js. Here's the message, hello world. I just edit the file and I'm writing something here. And my challenge to you actually is that please share the link of your Edge application here, of your hello world. But instead of writing hello world, try to write a funny message about Brazil. So, I don't know. What do you guys know about Brazil? Make it funny. So, for example, Brazil is full of colored birds. None of them is more beautiful than its people. Ooh, click here, commit changes. You don't ever commit directly to the main branch. You create a new branch and then propose changes. Here, update, create pull request. Checking for ability to merge automatically. Merge, confirm merge. Okay. So let's see how it went. So voila, now you have it. It takes a while, but you can just check here in your workflows if it's happening. So what do you have to do? Just write a nice sentence and copy the domain and send me in the link below that I'll write here in the comment section, not in the comment section, in the description of this video. And now for our second project, it's as simple as the first one. So click here on plus create. Again, you have the recommended templates. Click here in templates. Just type resume. Yeah, we're going to use the devs card or the web page to PDF resume. Let's use the web page to PDF because it's going to be really easier for us. So you click here. Again, you connect with GitHub. You give the application name. So TechXNinjas resume. And then you click deploy. It's going to start all over again now with another project. So this one's being created. You have the log here, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, and so on. I'll be back when it's deployed. And here we are. So we have our domain here. Again, if you click, it's going to be page not found because it takes a while to propagate the first time, of course. And here you can check all information you can and everything you need to change or to manage your domain. Yeah, now here it is. We have a prompt from Emily Johnson, software engineer, and so on. Now, you already know how to edit the final product. You click on your GitHub, check where it is. Here I have my TechXNinjas resume, which is in Astro. And here in the src, you have the data. You just add it to your name. For example, my name is Pedro. Hey Pedro. Title. Developer Head of Developer Relations. And you fill with all your information. Remember that when you click on Commit Changes, just click on Create a New Branch and Propose Changes. You'll update data, create pull request, check the ability, merge, confirm, and here in Actions, you can see when it's being propagated and when it works. So it's still cute because I have some other things in here in the project. But still, I hope you liked the video, and I hope this is just the beginning of this partnership with you guys. What we did today, first I just explained a little bit about what edge computing is. Then we did our first hello world using JavaScript with Edge, in the Edge platform, and then we created a CV. Have a look at the links here at the description so you can share your products with us and maybe earn some prizes. So thank you for watching until now, and thank you Adil for the invitation. See ya.